Indiana. Amateur cameraman Mike Skaggs has spent the day videotaping trains. But at a quiet railroad crossing just outside of town, he gets the shot of a lifetime. The 6,000-ton freight train barrels down the tracks. Then, as it approaches the crossing, it slams into a stalled semi, with the terrified driver still trapped inside. The train crushes the truck, shoving it down the tracks more than 100 feet, before finally coming to a stop. Engineers can hardly believe it when they discover that the driver is still alive.
Bells ring, warning of an oncoming locomotive. The crossing gates descend, but the confused truck driver suddenly begins rolling forward. The semi stops before crossing the intersection. The driver seems unaware that the truck rests directly on top of the railroad tracks. The train engineer desperately blasts the air horn, hoping the driver will respond. The trailer is completely destroyed, and the wreckage is strewn for hundreds of yards. As for the train, it fares better, but will require major repairs. Analysis of the footage reveals exactly what went wrong. The driver of the semi is stopped at a red light when warning bells start to ring. Right as the crossing gates lower, the traffic light changes to green, and the semi rolls forward. But before it can cross the street, the light switches back to red. A collision is inevitable. Just moments after the horrific impact, the lucky driver and her dog emerge unscathed. The 80 passengers aboard the train also escape injury. The complete destruction of...
Bam. Bam. Holy smokes. Wow. Holy smoke. Whoa. Dude. That was